Hey guys, this is Jason, aka your X-ray tech. So just got an invite to get an exclusive tour of South Texas Health System Edinburg's new patient tower. They got this new tower going up, new radiology department, new radiology equipment. We get this exclusive tour before they open. Super excited to see it and to share that with y'all. I want to thank everybody who made this possible. And yeah, let's check it out. Wow, what an amazing tour. Congratulations to South Texas Health System Edinburg on their new patient tower. It's absolutely beautiful, breathtaking. I appreciate the tour. We had a great time and good luck.